The teacher's staff room is noted in society for its exquisite marking taste.
Just wait there a moment, please, Claire.
You look awfully like the newsreader from the school production.
Well, you know, everyone says that, but we're not even related. It's quite fascinating, really, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Oh, very, very interesting.
Okay, Claire, you can come in now. Show me your homework, please. Thank you. Homework.
Amazing.
Excellent.
Gosh, with this homework, Claire, you are really spoiling us.